Hi, hello. I'm B.Padma, head of the Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So in this lecture video, we are going to see about textile processing. So in this video, the content to be delivered is introduction, types of printing and conclusion. So first, textile printing introduction. Textile printing involves various methods to transfer design onto the fabrics. Here are some common types of textile printing, each with its own character and applications. So types of printing. There are various types of printings are available. That is screen printing, digital printing, heat transfer printing, block printing, rotary printing, discharge printing, flock printing, and pastisol printing. So first, screen printing. So each and every types we are going to see about the description and the applications. So first, screen printing. Screen printing, also known as silk screening, involves using a mesh screen to transfer ink onto the fabric. Stencil blocks specifying areas of the screen, allowing ink to pass through the unblocked areas and create the design. And the applications are: it is suitable for both small and large scale production, used for the printing on fabrics, garments and other textiles. Next, digital printing. The digital printing directly applies to the design from a digital files to the fabric using inkjet technology. It offers high precision and allows for intricate designs with a wide range of colors. Application is ideal for short runs, customized designs and a detailed print on various types of the fabrics. Next, heat transfer printing. Description: a heat transfer printing involves transferring a design from a paper or a film onto the fabric using heat and pressure. Sublimation printing is a specific type where a heat converts a solid dye particles into a gas, bonding them with the fabric. In the applications commonly used for the polyester fabrics and sports apparel, suitable for both small and large scale production. Next, rotary printing. In the description are: rotary printing utilizes cylindrical screens to apply continuous pattern onto fabrics. As it moves through the machine, multiple colors can be applied in a single pass. And the applications are commonly used for the large scale production of printed fabrics, such as for bed linens and upholsteries. Next, discharge printing. The discharge printing involves application of a color removing agent to dyed fabrics, creating a pattern by removing the existing color. Additional pigments or dyes can then be applied into the discharged area. Applications are used for creating unique and faded patterns can on dyed fabrics. So this discharge printing, which is mainly a fabric which was dyed fully in a single color, then the design has been drawn using some chemicals to make the place without dye. So that is the discharging the dye from the fabrics by creating a pattern or a design on the fabric. So this is called as discharge printing. Next, flock printing. In the description, the flock printing involves application adhesive to the fabrics and then addressing short fibers, that is flocks, to create a textured design. It results in a velvety or a skewed light feel. In the application often used for adding textures and dimension to design on a garment and accessories. Next, Plastisol printing. So in the plastisol printing description, plastisol printing is a type of screen printing where a PVC based ink is used. The ink is heat cursed, heat cured, and creating a durable and a vibrant print on the fabric. So the application are commonly used for printing on the garments including t-shirts and sportswear. Whether the print to be in somewhat darker and it should have a long life, we can use this plastisol printing. So finally, I'm concluding. In this video, we have seen about the types of printing and what are the types, how it was used, and the description and the usages has been discussed. So thank you.